Ever wondered why lemon oil is making waves in wellness routines? One small bottle of lemon oil could revolutionize your skincare, hair care, and even your mood. Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing benefits of lemon oil and why it deserves a prime spot in your beauty and wellness routine. You're about to discover why this natural ingredient is a game changer. Let's start with your skin. Lemon oil is nature's gift for achieving that radiant, youthful glow. Packed with antioxidants and natural brightening properties, lemon oil has a number of benefits. Benefit number 1, brightens your skin for a radiant, even complexion. Benefit number 2, fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation naturally. Number 3, helps fight acne by eliminating acne-causing bacteria. Number 4, balances oily skin, leaving it fresh and shine-free. And benefit number 5, soothes irritation with its anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon oil isn't just for your skin, it's a hair care hero too. Here are the top benefits for your locks. Benefit number 1, soothes an itchy, flaky scalp with its antifungal powers. Number 2, adds a natural shine, making your hair look healthy and vibrant. Number 3, gently lightens your hair color for a sun-kissed effect. Number 4, stimulates circulation to promote stronger, healthier hair growth. Lemon oil's benefits go beyond beauty. Its fresh citrus scent can elevate your mood and help you relax. Check these out. Benefit number 1, boosts mood and reduces stress. Number 2, improves focus and concentration. And benefit number 3, purifies the air, making it fresh and clean. Benefit number 4, neutralizes unpleasant odors in your home. Lastly, lemon oil shines as a wellness and household must-have. Just check how it can help. Benefit number 1, acts as a natural disinfectant for surfaces. Number 2, purifies your space when diffused. Benefit number 3, supports detoxification and digestion when properly diluted. And number 4, makes your home smell fresh and inviting. So what are you waiting for? Unlock the countless benefits of lemon oil and let your skin, hair, and home shine brighter than ever. But do remember, lemon oil is an essential oil, and to use it on your skin or hair, you need to first dilute it with a carrier oil. Never use it without diluting it first. So, which benefit excites you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to glow inside and out. Additionally, we would love to know which country you are watching us from. Write down in the comments below.